Have you ever admired the beauty and scent of a holiday wreath and wondered what plant species were in it? In this episode of the Jepson videos, we discuss incense cedar, a plant commonly used to make this festive holiday decoration. The scientific name of incense cedar is Calocedrus decurrens. This plant is a common tree that occurs in the mountains of California, Oregon, Nevada, and northwestern Baja, up to 7,500 feet in elevation. These large trees are frequently encountered in mixed conifer and yellow pine forests and can reach heights up to 200 feet. The bark is fibrous, deeply furrowed, and has a reddish hue that can become gray with age and eventually peels off in long strips. The scale-like leaves are bright green and are opposite, appearing whorled. The leaves and branches form wide, flattened sprays. The woody seed cones are quite distinctive. They are pendant and have 6 spreading scales. Counting them can be tricky. Let's watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The lowest 2 scales often fall off, and the upper 2 are fused and appear to be a single scale. The pollen cones are small and yellow and produce ample amounts of yellow pollen. Making a herbarium specimen from a large tree presents an interesting challenge, but this collector did a beautiful job, capturing all of the characters necessary to identify this species. The closest relatives of incense cedar, that is, all other species of Calocedrus, are found in eastern Asia, and incense cedar is nearly endemic to the California floristic province, where it represents an ancient lineage in our flora. Now that you know how to identify incense cedar, keep your eyes out for this common tree in both wreaths and forests. Follow the Jepson videos to learn more about the flora of California.